Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I will show you how to use green screen on CapCut. So open your CapCut and create a new project. And then here, for example, I will choose this video to flash on the green screen. And then here is the green screen I want to use, a PC monitor with a green screen. So I want to see the video on the green screen right over here. So I will adjust this frame into this video. Now, once you've done, you can now try to edit and put that video on this PC monitor. So all you can do is swipe and go to color picker. So for the example, I will choose this on the green screen to choose this color. And then go to intensity and adjust this one until you can show the videos on this PC monitor. So when you pick the best intensity right over here, the result is as you can see on your screen. So you can now tap play and here is the result. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.